the last video, we discussed about cross rates. Now moving ahead, we'll discuss about the arbitrage. We have two types of arbitrage. One is geographical arbitrage and then we have triangular arbitrage. First, try to know what exactly this geographical arbitrage is all about. In case of geographical arbitrage, when any foreign currency can brought in one exchange or one geography, or it can be sold in other geography, that we call it as a geographical arbitrage. A problem has been displayed on your screen. Just try to read that particular problem. The two forex centers, rupee by US dollar rates are quoted. So again, the two forex centers, the following rupee by US dollars rates have been quoted. These foreign exchange centers are, one is London, and in London what they are given, 47.5730 and 47.6100. Okay, and the same way they are in Tokyo. In Tokyo, they are quoted as 47.6350 as well as 47.6675. 47.6675. Now, what they are asking you? They are asking you to find out arbitrage possibility for arbitrager who has $100 million. Hope all of you read the question. Now come back and let's see how to solve this problem. Okay. Solution for this problem is, first what we are supposed to is, we have to convert US dollar rupee into US dollar in London. Okay. We'll take step 1. Convert rupee to US dollar at the rate of 46.6100 at London Stock Exchange. At London Stock Exchange. So how much will have? So hence therefore investor will have $2.1004 million. Okay. So coming to step 2. So investor has converted rupee into US dollar in London at 46.6100. Now convert the same to rupees at Tokyo at the rate of rupees 47.6350 per dollar. Okay. Since investors will have how much? So investor will have a rupees of 50 will have rupees of 100 million plus will have profit of 0.524. 100 point, that means 100.0525 million. Okay. So in simple, what we can say, Initially we have converted rupee to dollar at the rate of 46.6100. Investors will have dollar 2.1004 million. Second, so we are going to convert dollar 2.1004 million into rupee. Hence, an investor will have 100.0525 million. Now let's see what is the arbitrage profit over here. Arbitrage profit is equal to 100.0525 minus 100. So 100.0525 is, so the round amount which we got after converting rupee to dollar in London and dollar to rupee at Tokyo. We got 100.0525. Original investment is 100 million. So therefore 0.0525 million is the profit, or we can write this as 52,510 as arbitrage profit. In the same way, you can see the next slide. We are given one more problem. That problem goes like this. Hope you read the problem. Assume that rupee by US dollar at London remains unchanged as stated in a previous example, but there is a change in Tokyo rate. London rate remains the same at 47.5730 and 47.6100, but whereas in case of Tokyo it has changed from 47.6350 to 47.6000 and 47.6450. Now what they are asking is, are there still any arbitrage gain possibility for the arbitrager? Still do we have any arbitrage possibility? Can you think and can you tell? Just take a pause and just you can think and you can say, if I buy, let's assume that if I buy in London, what is the rate? 47.6100 and sell it in Tokyo, I am incurring loss over there. On the other hand, if I buy in Tokyo, I have to pay 47.6450 and sell it in London, I'll get only 47.5730. In both the way, I'm incurring a loss. So hence there is no possibility of making any sort of profit. Okay, this how we have to calculate the problems on geographical arbitrage. Hope you understood how to find out the arbitrage when the values are different in a two different locations or two different geography. Thank you. The next video we'll try to discuss about the triangular arbitrage. Thank you.